All right, so let's do some backtesting. I personally feel that when you want to backtest, you need to use the replay tool. It's on the premium version. And I think using the free version, sometimes you are tempted to already see what has already happened. And there's a high chance that you just align the chart and everything to it, thinking that maybe you are doing the right thing. I'm not saying that those who are using it are not doing the right thing, but that's how I feel. When you are not seeing it, okay, possibility that you are giving a good judgment, I think it's quite better than when you already see what is happening, and then you just have to use your charts to align the charts to the direction that the market is already going. Okay, so but anyway, let's see. So we are backtesting our strategy. Okay, remember it is like this. Okay, this is what we are trading. Either price comes to respect this one so that we buy, or price comes to what respect this one. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, so we are backtesting from, and there should be a very good breakout structure. Okay, there should be a very good breakout structure. So let's see. This is our first trade from 10th March. Okay, so we had the breakout structure here. Okay, as you can see, that the breakout structure here. We're expecting that market should what come to this place, and then we're going in for what 1:2. Okay, so we expect market to come here, then we go for 1:2. All right, so let's see how it goes. So hey, the price tap. Okay, so I think we should have it. Okay, where is the wick? Just tap into it. Okay, the wick is here. This is where we have the wick. This is the candle wick. Okay, so just a tap. Okay, that was just a tap. So let's say we had this one. Okay, we had this one. So remember, 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, then it should be a very good breakout structure. Okay, this one is not a good one for me. So let's continue. Very good breakout structure. Okay, so we have another breakout structure here. Okay, very good one here. Okay, so let's see. 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay. Okay, so we hit SL on this one. So we're still playing it. We want to see a very good breakout structure. These are arranged now. Okay, so we've seen another one. Stop. Okay, have you seen it? Very good. So we are going to buy here. Okay, we hit TP. So we'll be waiting for another breakout structure. So this one hits TP. Okay, so have another one here. Okay, so we hit TP. Very good. Hey, so okay, so let's see. Is there any other break? No. These are arranged now here and here. So waiting for a break. Okay. Oh, let me see whether this one is a good breakout structure. Okay, so just that's not any good breakout structure. Remember our range is here and here. So we want to see a very, very good break. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so over here. Okay, so this should be a very good breakout structure. Okay, so let's have this here. So 1:2. Okay, are we considering this as a loss because price broke? Okay, anyway, didn't give confirmation, but let's see. Okay, so this one too, can see we hit TP. So this one, it can either be a loss or what's the name? A loss or profit, depending on where you got your confirmation. But price has broken to the downside. So well, let's take it as a loss. No problem. Remember, I don't lie to yourself. Oh. If you lie to yourself, you pay for it. So this can be a win or a loss, depending on where you get your confirmation. Let's say it was just a little break. Okay. So we had another break of structure here. Okay. So we had another break of structure here. Okay. So now these are arranged over here. Okay. Over here, here. So let's see. Okay. So we had another break here. Okay, so we have a break here. Okay, so we're expecting market to tap here. Let's see. Remember, this is our zone. Okay, so there's our zone. We're going for a sell. Okay, it's like 1:3, almost 4. Okay, it hits TP, as you can see. So we wait for the next one. We want to see a very good break of structure. Okay, we had a break of structure here. There's a break of structure here. Okay, so oops, which one are we going to use? This one here. It's very small, but let's see. There's one here. If we go to lower time frame, you will see it's better. So let's see whether we're going to get a very good trade over here. So let's play it. Okay, we hit TP. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Okay, so very good. We had another break of structure. Another break of structure here. Okay, so there's one here. Okay, before the break of structure. So we're going to put it over here. Then expect price to come here. And we're going in forward a buy. So let's see. Patience, patience. You need to be okay. So this one is kind of too far from the chart. So let me bring it here. I think I'll go for this one. Okay, I'll go for this one. Usually when it's too far, you can just pick the highest one over there. So let's see. Let's see what will happen. Waiting for it here. Okay, so we are here. So this one, we should be hitting SL on this one. No problem. Let's continue. So actually, you can see that we got the zone. You understand? Just that price decided to liquidate us before going to S direction. It's normal. You understand me? So that's how it is. So oops. This one, okay, I had a good break of structure here. Okay, good break of structure here. Then we have this. Okay, this is a low. So we should be getting this one too. Okay, we should be getting this one too. I didn't play it early. Okay, so we should be getting this one too. Now let's continue. So this is now our range. Remember, these are range here and here. So okay, so we've gotten a break. Gotten a break here. Okay, so let's use this one and wait for the market. Wait for price. Come and tap. And we sell. Okay, so price has tapped. And we are selling. The reason how I'm just using 1 hour time frame. Just one time frame. No market analysis, no top-down analysis, and just this. So let's see. Okay, so we hit TP. All right, we hit TP. We had a very good break here. We can still come and take this one over here, okay? And go for an additional entry because this is where we had our what? Break of structure. So let's see. Just 1 hour time frame, okay? Come and tap here and we're going towards So you see, when you are not seeing the chart, you don't see what is happening. Very, very easy for you to know that, yeah, your strategy is good. Okay. So let's see. And you have to be truthful to yourself. If you didn't get it, you didn't get it. You understand me? Okay, so we had another break here. So it means we didn't get the one at the top. So this is where we'll be putting our what? Our trade is going to be our point of interest. This market is ranging. You can see this kind of ranging market. Usually this market, you avoid it. Okay, so we see a very good, the ranging market anyway, but let's see. Remember I said what? It's very, very good in a trendy market. Okay, but let's see if we'll get this one. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we got this one. We hit TP on this one. Okay, so we've seen another one over here. Okay, see another one. We got this one back. You let me just leave this one. Let's assume that we didn't get this one. So over here, we got another one here, and it's what should be a sell. But what happened? We hit SL on this one. So once we hit SL on this one, we come and pick here because there's another break of structure. So this one, it can either be this or this. Okay, this or this. So let's see which one it will respect. Okay, we hit SL on the cell here. Okay, it's very far from it, so possibility that the first one, okay, will be respected. It's high. So let's see. Let's see which one will be respected. Oh, so we hit loss. We hit SL. Okay, on both. So let's see. This one is SL. Okay, so SL here. Okay, so we hit SL here. This one came to respect the other block here. So let's continue. So now we're having a range here and here. So okay, so we had another one here after the break of structure. Okay, we would have our zone here. Okay, you can see have our zone here. And here is where we take the sell. Okay, so we have another break here. Okay, so what is that low? That last low. Okay, so let's pick it here. Let's put it here. All right, let's see. I should tap and okay, so we hit SL on this one. Okay, then this is what our break of structure. Okay, this one would be this is our break of structure. Okay, and we can either go for the one at the down here or here. So we came to respect this one. Okay, respect this one. This one we can say that's it XL because it gave confirmation over here. We might enter the trade over here and came to take you out before going up. Normal. So let's continue. So okay, we are done. We are done with the back testing. So let's go back and see how many we've gotten and how many. Let's see how best the strategy work. Okay, so from 11th March. Okay, 11th March. 11th March. Okay, so let's see how many wins and how many losses. So we'll be counting the wins first. Okay, remember 1:2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so that's 11. Then let's count the losses. Let's count the losses. Let's count the losses. So let's count the losses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 11 wins, 5 losses. So if that's so let's say, you are risking, it's 1:2, right? Though we had some 1:3, but we want to be consistent. So we have 3. Okay, so that's let's say we are risking $100 or $200. So so $200 times 11. Okay, 11. So that would be 2,200. Then we lost $100 times 5, right? So 2,200 minus 500, 1,007. So this is just on one asset. Now imagine you replicating, because you can see that there are some days we didn't get it, and there are some days you will not get it. You will not get the setup itself, not that you get it and you lose or something like that. We didn't get it, okay? So basically, this is how you backtest the strategy. And you can see it's a very good one. Okay, you can see it's a very, very good strategy. Okay, so over 70% winning rate. You understand me? About 70% winning rate. So that would be it. Okay, that would be it. Okay, so you can see that it's a very, very good strategy. Okay, so this strategy, so let's say what we did right now. Okay, so we have a 1,700. Let's look at the percentage. 1,700 divided by 2,200. Okay, times 100. Okay, 77% winning rate. So almost 80% winning rate. Okay, almost 80% winning rate. All right, so back test it. So this one right now, okay, this one right now, we had another break of what? Break of structure here. Okay, so two things. It's either going to respect this or this. Okay, depending on how far price traveled to. Okay, so that's how we do back testing. Okay, so get a replay to get a premium version of TradingView and be sincere to yourself.